Hey, good morning from India. In this video, I'd like to show you how to vlog from a GoPro without having to buy one of those external GoPro adapters and using a mic similar to this one. So I was planning to do a trip to Leh Ladakh in 2 weeks, and I have a GoPro 7, so I thought I'll do some vlogging while I'm there. And I know the importance of good audio when you're doing vlogging. So I already had an external mic. I thought I can buy just the adapter and use it with my GoPro. So I went down to amazon.in and guess what? The pricing is $240 in India. Plus I had to also buy the Ulanzi case, which is optional, I know, but you have that adapter dangling out of your GoPro, and then you have to secure it somehow. So that's the challenge that I had. So then I thought, hey, maybe I should try a different approach. And I did some experiments, and I thought I'll share it here in the video with you. Let me know if it's useful. If you do, please hit like and maybe even subscribe. Thanks. The gist of the solution is to actually use your mobile for recording, and then later on using some tricks that I'm going to show you how to put that together with your GoPro video. So before that, I want to show you some footage. Let's go. Forgot my keys. Got my keys this time. So I've moved the camera outside so I can do an external shot. It's a bit windy here, and the monsoon has just set in Kerala, so it's raining. Now I have the mic inside the helmet. Okay, so basically it's a 3-step process. Hit record on your GoPro, start recording on your GoPro, and then start recording on your phone. See, I have the phone running through my t-shirt. Start recording on the phone, and then you need to give a visual and audio cue. Basically just give a clap. The clap basically gives you a pointer when you do post-production to align the audio of the mic and the phone. Just got bright and sunny.
I noticed. That won't last. Due an hour later and it's pouring rain. It was like that yesterday, so.
I'm going to talk to you about some of the advantages of using this method. The first advantage is that you can get the audio from both the GoPro and the mobile phone, and you can mix and match it the way you feel fit in post-production. So for example, I have the GoPro audio settings set to wind, and I have the mic running from my mobile phone which is in my pocket, and the microphone is in my helmet. So later in post-production, I can mix and match the bits that I'm talking, and maybe even mix some of the audio from outside. So towards the end of the video, I'll show you how I mix that in Premiere Pro. Second advantage is that the camera can be, you can keep the camera remotely anywhere without any mic or wires dangling out of it. maybe you want to take a faraway shot and still continue to talk on your mic, you can do that. So it basically acts like a wireless mic. Third advantage is that you can apply some noise cancellation or audio fine-tuning using certain Android apps, and I'll show you some examples towards the end on how you can reduce noise and increase the clarity of your audio. And of course, the fourth advantage is you don't have to buy the adapter, you don't have to buy the GoPro audio adapter or any special case. Just get a good mic, and I think this would be a better option than getting the adapter.
Thanks.
Say bye to the camera.
It's not recording.
No?
Bye.
What are some of the disadvantages of using this approach? Well, the first one is you need to remember to turn on the recording between both the phone and the mobile phone. The second is that you need there's more work in the post-production. You need to sync the audio that you recorded in the mobile phone and the camera. You might need maybe a tool like Premiere Pro or something else to do that. I hope you found the video to be useful. Do you think you will use this method? What are the pros and cons? Do leave your thoughts in the comments below. In your Android phone, you would just use the voice recorder that comes default with your phone. In Samsung S10, I have an app that is already installed called Voice Recorder, and that's what I use to record the audio. Once you have the audio, you would then use a program like Lexus Audio Editor. This audio editor will help you apply some effects. Like you can do noise reduction, and you can change the pitch, increase the gain of the audio. This is something that I just found today, but you can experiment with what you can do with this to find out more. Now in Premiere Pro, go ahead and import your audio file from your phone and the video file from GoPro. And drop that into sequence. Drop the audio into the sequence. Alright, the first thing I do is to find the visual cue where I do the clap. There you go. So I've already put a marker on that clap. So you can press M to put a marker on that clap. And then what you do is go ahead and mute the audio from, this is the audio from the GoPro. I went ahead and muted that, so I can only listen to the audio I imported from the phone. Alright, I think I found where the clap is, so that's where, okay, we need to make some space here so I can, so I think that's where I found the clap. There it is. So this pointer here, Let me zoom it up a little bit. This pointer is the clap. Now all I have to do is align this pointer, this clap, to this mark that I have here. All right, I think I'm nearly there. And now when I play the audio, perfect. So I've aligned it, and when I play back the audio, the phone from the mobile and the GoPro video has synced perfectly, and all I have to do is just trim off the edges, and then I have one clip. Now you notice that I have the audio from the GoPro and the audio from the phone. I can mix and match whichever I want to use depending on the settings, and that's how I did this. I'm not an expert in Premiere Pro, but I'll leave a link to another video that I found to be very useful. It explains to you how you can even automate this, and it's made by Premiere Gal, and I think it's a fairly good explanation, so I'll leave that link below for you to check it out. So hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Bye.